the back was missing, and then another week they looked like a cow, and then right now it finally looks like we've been waiting for this moment, man. So the E63 is back from the paint shop. As you can see, it's really nice to see the car in one color, right? Because like I remember like 2 weeks, it just like the back was missing, and then another week they looked like a cow, and then right now it finally looks like we've been waiting for this moment, man. But it's finally back from the paint shop, and we actually didn't get as much footage as we wanted to at the paint shop. I mean, you got married, you had to go to the honeymoon. Roman left to, I don't know, Hawaii or something. So everybody was out for like 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks. So that's actually why we haven't been posting as well. So, and we were gonna post a part 2 actually right when we posted the part 1. If you guys see our last video, it kind of ended like weird because we were supposed to do a part 2, but I mean we had little uploading issues or whatever. But you went to you're the computer guy, and I
dipped to Hawaii. I said, screw this.
I can build you a car, I can build you a house, but when it comes to computers, man, don't even talk to me about that. You know what I mean? But dude, check this out, man. This looks so good. Honestly, the paint job came out freaking perfect. Thanks to our boy David. I know a lot of people commented and asking us who's gonna be painting the car or who painted it when we posted pictures on the Instagram. So make sure to DM us on Instagram. Maybe leave us a comment on Instagram. We'll send you his either phone number or address or business card, you know, whatever you need. But this guy has been painting cars for us for a while now. He does an incredible job. I mean, look at the car. That thing looks like glass right now. I mean, it is dirty. It's been standing kind of in the it did rain a little bit. That's why it's dirty, right? Rain. Which I'm surprised. I mean, look at the weather, man. The weather is finally perfect.
Yeah, I'm wearing a long sleeve. I actually wore a hoodie today.
Dude, it's been like what, 100, 110 like the whole past few months. Yeah. It's crazy hot, man. But now the weather is literally perfect. It just started this week. Hopefully it either continues or gets even a little bit colder, because you know we can't wait for the hoodie season. Maybe make some hoodies, merch, you know. People be asking us about that too, so that's coming obviously in the winter because it's way too hot to wear hoodies right now. First of all, let's go over the spots that were welded and bonded, right? The main spots basically right here. Dude, look at this thing.
That's crazy.
You will never tell that
only with the magnet.
Hey, yeah, but you will never tell. It's reinforced inside, so if it's gonna be breaking somewhere, it's gonna be breaking either here or here. It's never going to rip here, break. I mean, a lot of people think it's unsafe or whatever, but
our welder did a good job.
Yeah, I mean, we got a professional frame guy and then professional paint guy. That's the only two things I think we don't do ourselves, right? We do frame ourselves if we're fixing beaters like yours that you just got. Oh, you got that for a steal, man. For 5 grand or something.
6 grand actually.
6 grand with like fees and stuff like that. But dude, just reached 100k miles, man. That thing is.
I'm very happy with it. Yeah.
And then we got Gucci's truck right here that he actually just crashed. So he picked up a crashed Toyota. He just crashed his. So you guys working like a team, man. And we got that monster over there. That thing is just impressive. We gotta do like a review on that thing.
Yeah, we gotta test it out, jump it maybe, you know?
Jump it. Yeah. But yeah, let's get back to the car. So check this out. So we painted the quarter panel, the door, this door. We did a whole bunch of bonder work because even on the parts car, we took off some parts off the parts car that were damaged as well. So the fender, right? The only thing we didn't paint is the hood and the roof.
Yeah.
Everything else we painted. Literally everything else we painted. And I mean, David gave us such a good deal. I mean, he gives such good prices for the work he does. I mean, I honestly think he needs to charge more, man. Yeah. Because we've been to people who charge, you know, up the ass, but their painting skills, you know, I'm not gonna
point any fingers.
That new guy, that's yeah. Bumper did get damaged a little bit. I think in the transport.
During transport, yeah.
During transport, I feel like the bumper either fell off the trailer, but it's tiny. All we have to do is literally just send it off. We
buff it out.
Yeah, we told David, we're like, hey man, the bumper got damaged a little bit. We'll bring it in. We'll pay you again to repaint it or whatever. But you know, he didn't want to accept no money. He's gonna do it.
He's like, I'll do it for free.
Yeah. So that's the boy. So like I said, if you guys need anybody, I'm pretty sure once he paints something for you once, you're gonna be going to him second time when you need something painted, because that's basically what happened to us, right? He painted something for us once. Now that's it. We stick with him, and he paints everything out for us. It's even worth the wait. If he does have a wait, it's worth the wait. You know what I mean? Yeah.
We're like family now, you know?
Yeah. But other than that, guys, we are ready for final assembly. We've been waiting for this moment, but we didn't got much to do. I mean, we kind of got much to do, but
it's a lot, but it's not, you know?
It's a lot, yeah. I mean, the bumper, we just gotta assemble the bumper. There's a lot of pieces to the bumper. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys saw when we were disassembling it, now we gotta assemble it. Also, we got like some door panels to play with. We had to pull them apart because we did have to paint them on the inside as well.
Yeah.
We had to make it look good, man, like straight from the factory, you know what I mean?
Of course.
We couldn't just paint it from the outside. But yeah, we got like the window regulators, right? Did we take those off?
Yeah, I think we swapped them out on one of them, but like door trims, some moldings, mirrors.
Yes, some moldings, the mirrors. The trunk, we ordered some parts that we are missing, the little weird sub speaker, whatever it is. We gotta actually still order that. That's the only thing we still gotta order. And the exhaust, we have to find the exhaust too.
Yeah,
but exhaust is last thing, man. Also, one more thing that we do need to buy, we don't need to order, we just go to the dealership and just buy it, because I think it's what, $40 for the temporary battery. That's actually what I hope that's what people told us. That's the problem. Our electrician told us that's the problem, because it's not lifting right now. It's because of the temporary battery, and we got some codes, some lights on because of that battery as well. So we gotta go to the dealership, buy the battery, throw it in, plug in our computer, and hopefully this thing lifts
Fingers
up.
crossed, yeah, it lifts up.
Crossed, yeah. We do got a power coat to the wheels as well, don't forget that.
Yeah, we have to do all of that work.
We're gonna pretty much do this car exactly the same as it was when it was
when
you know,
Arnie
flying
was driving,
170 miles, averaging 170 miles an hour on a highway across the country. I'm not even gonna name highways, all sorts of highways. Arnie has been really patient with us, man. This car probably took us the longest man hours and work. I mean, I thought the Lamborghini was, because we've never dealt with the Lamborghini. We've dealt with a whole bunch of Mercedes, but for some reason, well, probably because we had to strip it to the frame, right? But a lot of man hours, a lot of works, and plus we had to work with the schedule of the frame guy, with the schedule of the paint guy,
with us leaving, you know,
with you leaving, and then we got like millions of projects all over the place, and then we're remodeling the shop.
Yeah, it's a lot.
I'm remodeling my house, you remodeling your house that you just got, and I don't know what Roman's up to. But that is going to be it for today's video. In the next video, we are actually going to start doing the main assembly, and we're going to try to get this car done as soon as possible. This car and the M4 is our #1 priority right now, right? So we will catch you guys in the next video. Before I forget, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Also follow us on Instagram at Foreign Builds, and we will catch you guys later.